Hello and welcome to Asian Petrolhead. I'm Charlie Min, editor-in-chief of MotorPD.com. Today we're in Hyundai Motor Studio Seoul to show you 2019 Genesis G70. Just released in Korea last October 17th. And before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. 2019 year model is not even a facelift. They added few features inside and out, but they managed to put this three-dimensional gauge cluster inside. So let's go inside and see that first. Now we're in the 2019 Genesis G70 and everything looks pretty much the same, except now it has 12.3-inch three-dimensional gauge cluster, which you can use without any glasses. Let me just turn it off and turn it back on again to show you the little intro. Interesting. Now let me show you what you can do with the 3D gauge cluster. First, you can turn it on and off. This is on. And also you can play with the intensity. This is off, normal, strong. Do you see the difference? This is, let me show you again. This is off and this is on. Guys, let me know what you think about the 3D gauge cluster in the comment section. You can set the 3D gauge cluster to work with your drive mode system. Let me show you each of them. This is the Smart and Eco. Next is Comfort, Sports, and Custom. You know, maybe I'm getting old, but I personally think the Sports is too much, and I like the Comfort the best. Let me show you one more time. This is Smart, Eco, Comfort, Sports, and Custom. Guys, let me know which one do you like the best in the comment section. And the 3D gauge cluster can be adjusted manually as well. There's modern and space, and lastly edge. 3 different modes. And in the bottom there's a little device for tracking your eyes, so the screen can be adjusted according to your movement. Well, it seems like it's working properly. So that was 3D gauge cluster from 2019 Genesis G70. And I also found one more change inside of here. Just like 2019 Genesis G80, when you press this button, it will close and recirculate the climate control system. So, and supposedly clean the air inside the cabin for you. Pretty nice. Now let's go outside and see the changes from outside. Now only for G70 Sport, which is powered by 3.3-liter twin-turbo gasoline, is now available with this new 19-inch rims. I know you guys already have this in the North American markets, but we just got this here. And they also have added mechanical limited slip differential for G70 Sports with HTRAC, I guess to provide more driving dynamics to all-wheel drive buyers. And I didn't know, but I guess until last year, G70 did not have power trunk. So they have added power trunk for 2019 year model. Handy. While I'm here, let me show you the second row seats as well. I'm 6'2", so the legroom is kind of decent, but headroom is kind of tight. I mean, I was pretty comfortable at backseat of Genesis G80, but it's a little different story back here. But leather and interior is very nicely done. even back here. Today we showed you briefly the changes made to 2019 Genesis G70. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll be back with more car reviews. And before you go, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. Let me show you the inside of the trunk. Like I said, it's got power truck now. And in the bottom, it's got a, fixer flat kit, and voila, it's got a battery here for the weight distribution purpose. And G70, although the trunk space is not huge, but you can also fold the second row seats and use the more cargo area. Good.